Hi, my name's Sam Franklin. I'm with the SSP 17 Humanities Department. My departmental project involves going out into the wider community here in Cork to gauge space awareness. So today I've come to Blackrock Castle. I'm going to be asking members of the public some space trivia quiz questions. Then I'm going to follow up with some wider, bigger picture space questions. I think this is valuable to the ISU and the wider space community. So it's important to remember and appreciate there's a broad spectrum of awareness about space in the community. I also think outreach isn't just about education. I actually think by engaging with the wider community, we can actually get some new, interesting and different perspectives from members of the public, which are an equally valuable contribution. So, here goes.
Name this planet. That's Saturn. I love it. Yes, I love Saturn.
Alrighty. Oh, question 1. Name this planet, and it looks like Saturn.
Correct.
Okay.
Name this planet. Saturn.
Correct.
Name the planet. Saturn.
Yes.
Yeah, that was my favorite planet.
Saturn.
The nearest star to planet Earth. The nearest star, sorry, I was going to name the nearest planet. The nearest star, that would be our sun, I guess.
Correct.
Yeah. What's the nearest planet though? Is it Mars or Venus?
Question 2. What's the nearest star to planet Earth? The sun? That makes me a little nervous. It's like
What's the nearest star to planet Earth? I have a notion. Is it like the Northern Star or something like that?
What the nearest star to planet Earth? Nearest è vicina.
Ma intendo la più vicina?
La più vicina.
Il Sole.
Okay, the sun.
The solar system is located in which galaxy? I would say the Milky Way.
Correct.
The solar system is located in which galaxy? Oh. Milky Way. Okay, sorry.
You got that.
The solar system is located in which galaxy?
A metà del raggio.
No, in which galaxy?
Nella galassia.
And in English?
Milky Way galaxy.
Correct.
Okay.
Question 4. The solar system is located in which galaxy? That is the Milky Way. Isn't it?
Yeah, 3 for 3.
What is the name of NASA's most famous space telescope?
It's Hubble.
Hubble.
You heard of that one?
No.
Okay.
What is the name of NASA's most famous telescope? Ooh, on the Canary Islands, no, on Hawaii. I can't think.
Okay, so it was the most famous space telescope.
Hubble. Sorry.
That's okay.
Question 5. What is the name of NASA's most famous telescope? Is that Hubble?
What is the name of NASA's most famous space telescope? Hubble?
What is the name of NASA's most famous space telescope? Qual è il nome del telescopio più famoso della NASA? Io non te l'ho mai detto però questo, non so se lo sai. Ha il nome di un astronomo, però non lo sai. Okay, may I answer the question because it's the Hubble telescope. Okay.
Question 6. How many stars in our home galaxy? Ooh, a lot. Like billions something, right? I don't know.
So the answer is 100 billion.
Okay. Yeah.
How many stars in your home galaxy? Say about a billion? Not really.
100 billion.
Sorry, I'm not a star.
Can you name the 2 ice giant planets? Neptune and
Question 9, can you name the 2 ice giant planets?
Urano e Nettuno.
Leggi...
Uranus e Neptune.
Wait, read the question, Marco, calma.
Would you like to go to space, and if so, do you think it would change you? Yeah, I'd love to go to space. I'd say so because you can see everything from afar, and like you're not in the planet. Does that make sense? So you won't actually know what's going on. You can just look at it, but like not actually be there.
That's a good answer.
Would you like to go to space? So do you think it would change you? I'm not sure at my age I would like to go to space. When I was younger I probably would, and I think it would certainly change you because I think you'd never look on the Earth the same having seen it from that far away.
That's a great one there. Would you like to go to space? And if so, do you think it would change you? I definitely would like to go to space. Would it change me? Possibly. I guess a big experience like that would probably change you. And then again, I think it would change people more that think that we're so darn important. But I already don't think that so. But I think if you go out there and you see the relations of things, that would definitely change people. I would enjoy just no gravity.
Would you like to go to space? And if so, do you think it would change you? Honestly, I would not. That's because it's kind of scary to me. It's like there's a lot out there. Like the ocean, I'm fine with. I could swim in that. I don't know everything that's there, but it's here and it's a bit more finite. Whereas like space is, we don't even know how big it is. We just know how old it is. Yeah. And that's like, it gives me a little bit of anxiety. So I wouldn't personally want to travel. But also if there's like some sort of hyperspeed way to get to some close planet in another galaxy, maybe. And I don't think it'd be possible for it to not change you. Like your whole perspective would change, just like traveling to another country changes your perspective.
Let's do one more. If we could communicate with an advanced alien civilization, what's the one question you'd ask? If we could, if we could communicate.
One question.
One question. You know, there'd be so many really important questions, but if you get something, I don't think we could communicate. But because we have picked the people always say there has to be water-based. There's nothing that says it has to be water-based, so it could be something completely different, and we probably don't even understand how they think. We can't communicate with animals on this planet, so yeah. So what makes us think that? I don't know. One question I would ask. I think a really good question would be, what do you think of your own species? And on a joking side, what do you think of Donald Trump?
If we could communicate with an advanced alien civilization, what was the one question you'd asked? Oh dear. Good question. What's the secret of life? Yeah. What makes you different from us? How have you evolved?
How have they evolved? Yeah, okay. Yeah, because they could have evolved
differently. Yeah.
If we could communicate with an advanced alien civilization, what's the one question you'd ask? I don't know. Just be like, I don't know. I'd ask them, like, what do they do for fun? Like, do you know, like, are they all just thinking about, like, making stuff the whole time? Do you know the way we're, like, always advancing technology? Are they, like, the same, or do they, like, have the crack? Do you know?
Okay. If you could communicate with an advanced alien civilization, what's the one question you would ask? Se potessi comunicare con una civiltà aliena avanzata, con quale cosa vorresti chiedergli? No, se potessi comunicare con una cultura spaziale che magari sa come si sono formati l'universo, si sono formati lo spazio, e via dicendo, cosa vorresti chiedergli? Che cosa c'è nelle altre galassie? Vuoi pensarci un attimo? Leggiamo un'altra?
Sì, no, perché sono indecisa tra due.
Falle tutte e due. He would like to ask two things.
Fine.
Ok.
Ah, no, perché ero indeciso tra qualcosa sui buchi neri e come si sono formati all'inizio dell'universo, praticamente l'origine dell'universo.
Okay, he would ask something about the origin of the black holes and the origin of the universe itself as it was, because he's particularly...
Qualcosa sui buchi neri.
Okay, something about the black holes, because he is particularly interested in black holes. Okay, he knows about primordial black holes, supermassive black holes, and stars black holes, and so he's interested in black holes.
Well, should we invest in space when there are so many priorities on Earth? I think we should invest, but that doesn't mean we should divest from priorities here. You know, like, definitely you should invest in space exploration. We have questions that we need answered, but that doesn't mean it should be like a solve all, you know, because I hate seeing headlines that are like, Earth-like planet found, because people think that means that we can just move there and that all of our problems here won't matter anymore. And it's like we should invest, we should like know that there are Earth-like planets, but like that doesn't mean we can just, you know, sort of, there's no planet B kind of thinking, like you can't just move on, but it's nice to know these things. It's important.
Should we invest in space when there are many priorities on Earth? Well, it's a good question because it takes a lot of money in space. But my view of science, in particular set of science, is that man stands still unless he looks forward. And if we just say, okay, we're not doing any more research on anything, the human race is not going to evolve. And also there are spin-offs and all these sorts of things. So I think, yes, we should invest in space.
I set out to go into the community in Cork to explore space awareness. The film demonstrates that non-specialists can provide useful, thoughtful insights into some of the biggest questions in space. It's clear how important it is to engage the community, both in terms of education and giving the public the opportunity to make these valuable contributions. I'd like to thank my contributors, Blackrock Castle Observatory, CIT and the International Space University for all the resources and support they've kindly provided. I hope you enjoyed my big space filming project. I had a lot of fun making it.